Hoo-ha-ha! Well, with one mighty job, Sonakshi Sinha has actually entered the solo act in her latest movie Akira, and she's done it quite well. Right at the top, the reason why I'm saying this is because it might get lost in the rest of the movie, but to do a solo act, to play an action hero, and to do it so well, I think she certainly requires that I take my hat off to her. बहुत ही cool act है और एक्शन हीरो में सोनाक्षी सिन्हा लगती है कि वो एक्चुअली वो सारा एक्शन उसने अपने आप किया है without a body double, and उसके लिए बहुत बहुत तालियां मारते हैं. She's done a very good act. Well, now let's go back to Akira. This is the review of Akira, just in case आपको नहीं पता था इस चीज के बारे में. जो दूसरा प्लेयर है यहाँ पे वो तो बहुत ही कूल है और उसका नाम है अनुराग कश्यप. बहुत साल पहले हमने उसको शाकिब में देखा था. Well, he's back as the villain and he does the most amazing job of playing the villain in the film, and he's done it so well that he's bad, but he's so good at being bad that मैं कहता हूँ कि भाई साहब ये तो cool है. Well, coming back to the movie, here are more to those. He's made this movie like the original, but the fact of the matter is that he's got the lady instead of the gentleman as the main hero. The plot points are very good. He's got the action together very well, and Sonakshi is completely believable. So that all put together makes this movie quite watchable. Konkona Sen Sharma is the other person who needs mention in this movie. She has played herself quite well out in this movie. Well, the story is about Sonakshi Sinha, who when she is very little, her father teaches her to be self-sufficient and not to stand up for any nonsense, to fight injustice in this world. And she goes through her life and does exactly that. Kumari Akira Sharma is her name. And along the way, first of all, of course, she gets into trouble while she's in school and she gets taken to a remand home. She comes out of that, moves to Bombay, and she thinks that Bombay is a better world. It will never be a better world. Because, well, she gets involved in this whole plot, which I'm not telling you. The nice part is that Morgothos in this movie has actually kept you at the edge of your seat, even if it's cliched, even if through their dialogue all the actors are telling you exactly what's going to happen next. But he still manages to keep you at the edge of your seat. और वो interesting बात है because देखो हम और आप और बहुत सारे और लोग वहाँ पे entertainment कराने के लिए जाते हैं और entertainment full होता है. मैं जिस मूवी हॉल में वो मूवी देखने गया था जब सोनाक्षी सिन्हा in the end is actually bashing up Anurag Kashyap and company, भाई साहब सीटियाँ बज गई थी. And I think that always is my barometer or my way of saying that this movie will be a success at the movie hall. Why would I go watch it? I'd go watch it for Sonakshi Sinha. I think it's extremely credible in Bollywood for her to have done a role like this and done it well. It's quite credible. She doesn't emote too much, and I think that's a good thing because अगर ज़्यादा इमोशन हो जाती है ना, इमोशनल, हाँ, तो हमारे पे अत्याचार हो जाता है और हम चाहते हैं कि अत्याचार हो. So अच्छी कंट्रोल्ड एक्टिंग है. अनुराग कश्यप बहुत ही superbly controlled acting. मतलब he looks like this dirty, rotten cop. I don't know what the cops in Mumbai are going to say about this, but well, he does look really, really good. So Anurag Kashyap is whom you need to go and watch it for. Kumari Akira is whom you need to go and watch it for. And if you love edge of your seat action, well, this is done really well. So go watch it. How much would I give the movie? I'd give it 2 big stars. 1 big star for the story and the second big star for both the actors in this movie. More than that, I don't think I need to give it because it's not a brilliant movie. It's nice and tight and watchable over the weekend. तो इस weekend अगर आप मूवी देखने के मूड में हैं और आपने कुछ एक्शन देखना है और आपको सोनाक्षी सिन्हा एक्शन में अच्छी लगेगी तो भाई साहब जाके देख लीजिए. My one minus to this whole movie is I do not understand why Morgothos at the end of the day, I'm not telling you about the plot or anything that happens within, but at the end of the day, I don't feel like Sonakshi Sinha is a hero. I'm talking about the reverse, a Ghajini, where at the end of the day, even though Aamir Khan blasts the hell out of everybody, he looks like this larger than life hero. He comes out in the story larger than life hero. Sonakshi Sinha, at the end of the movie, I feel a little pity for her because they could have made her much bigger. They could have made her much stronger as far as the end is concerned. She could have come out victorious, which she doesn't, and that's why I've not given it 3 and I've only given it 2. If she had come out in that manner and I had left the movie hall with an emotional connect with her saying, wow, she is this hero of the film, I would have given it 3. So 2 it is. And आप क्या करेंगे? आप like और subscribe करेंगे हमें, because every weekend we bring you the reviews, we bring you trailer reviews, we bring you all the latest stories, all the latest interviews and events that happen in Bollywood. So Bollywood Pataka is what you need to subscribe to. You can also look at our website, which is looking quite cool, and you can of course we're on Facebook as well. So like, subscribe and follow us, and we'll get you up to date with everything that happens in Bollywood. Abhi Denzel out.